Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to discuss about fertilization and implantation. What is fertilization? During copulation, coitus, semen is released by the penis into the vagina is called insemination. Here the motile sperms, which swim rapidly, pass through the cervix, enter into the uterus, and finally reaches the junction of isthmus and ampulla of fallopian tube. This one is the particular place where the process of fertilization will takes place. Fertilization. If the ovum and sperms are transported simultaneously to the ampullary isthmus junction, only then the process of fertilization will take place. So the process of fusion of a sperm with an ovum, that is called fertilization. Sperms contact with the wall of ovum, that is called zona pellucida, and bring certain changes in the membrane that block the entry of other sperms. Acrosome, that is going to responsible to release out the hydrolysis enzymes which help in penetration into the ovum cytoplasm through zona pellucida and plasma membrane. Meiotic division of secondary oocytes after sperms enter plasma membrane of the sperm. Second meiotic division, that is going to form second polar body and ovum, which is also called otid. The nucleus of ovum plus sperms, when fusion takes place, they going to form the zygote and they decide the sex of a baby at this stage. Now here we are going to show you the various phases or various stages how the process of implementation will takes place. In initial stage, there is ovum is released, ovum fuses with egg, sperm to form the zygote, and zygote that is going to show a large number of changes in it. That stage is considered as the cleavage, and in the end is in the form of blastocyst that is going to attach with the wall of uterus. That process is called implantation. Now in brief we are going to discuss about the process of zygote. The mitotic division starts at the zygote, moves through the isthmus of the oviduct, that is called cleavage, toward the uterus and forms 2, 4, 8, 16 daughter cells, that is called blastomeres. The embryo with 8 to 16 blastomeres is called morula. Morula continues to divide and transform into blastocyst as it moves further into the uterus. The blastomeres in the blastocyst are arranged into an outer layer, that is called trophoblast, and an inner group of cells attached to a trophoblast, that is called inner cell mass. The trophoblast layer then gets attached to the endometrium and the inner cell mass gets differentiated as the embryo. After attachment, the uterine cell divides rapidly and covers the blastocyst. As a result, the blastocyst becomes embedded in the endometrium of uterus. This is called implantation and it leads to the pregnancy.